In this video, we're checking out the best type of hoses that kink, burst, and waste your time. Meet Pocket Hose Ballistic, built for smarter outdoor watering. This is the world's Hazone expanding hose, backed by over 100 patents for proven innovation. At the spigot, it starts compact and manageable. Turn on the water, and it expands fast. It grows up to 3 times its size. Then, it shrinks back down when you're finished. That means easy handling and simple storage. No more dragging around a heavy traditional hose. No more fighting awkward coils across the yard. Just lightweight performance made for everyday use. Water flowers, lawns, patios, and garden beds with ease. Wash your car without wrestling with equipment. Clean outdoor spaces with less effort and frustration. The ballistic-grade anti-burst sleeve adds serious toughness. It uses reinforcement inspired by bulletproof applications. That means extra protection during dragging and tugging. It's engineered for demanding everyday outdoor routines. Strong on the outside, flexible where it matters. Inside, the 3-layer latex core boosts durability, built to support reliable water flow day after day. Re-engineered washers help resist leaks at key connection points. Strong APT connector protectors add another layer of security. Solid lead-free connectors bring dependable long-term performance. Real copper infusion helps improve connection quality. Every detail is designed to work harder outdoors. The Pocket Pivot Swivel Connector changes the experience completely. It swivels 360 degrees at the spigot. That helps reduce twisting, snags, and annoying kinks, so water flow stays smoother while you move. Less resistance means more control in your hands. You can steer the hose without constantly stopping. That saves time and makes watering feel easier. The flexible body stays light and highly maneuverable. You'll notice the difference immediately during active use. No heavy lifting, no stiff dragging, no hassle. Just a hose that follows your lead. The UV-protected coating helps fight sun damage, so it keeps performing through changing seasons. It also helps maintain a cleaner, newer look. That's especially valuable for outdoor storage and exposure. This hose is designed for real homeowners. It supports gardening, lawn care, and outdoor cleaning. It also works beautifully for washing vehicles, and it's ideal for quick daily watering tasks. If you want convenience, this delivers it. If you want durability, this delivers that too. If you want fewer hose problems, this is the answer. The upgrade is obvious the first time you use it. Setup feels easier from the moment you connect it. Movement feels smoother while you water or clean. Storage becomes simpler once the job is done, and the whole process feels more efficient. For homeowners, that means less frustration every week. For gardeners, that means better control and reliability. For outdoor users, that means true practical value. Pocket Hose Ballistic brings premium function to everyday tasks. It combines compact convenience with serious reinforcing strength. It's lightweight, no kink, and made for lasting use. From the swivel connector to the core construction, every feature supports a better watering experience. Less twisting, less strain, and less storage trouble. More flexibility, more control, and more confidence. This is a hose built to outperform expectations. A better tool makes every outdoor job easier, and this one is ready to prove it. Upgrade your yard routine with Pocket Hose Ballistic. Enjoy the power, convenience, and durability you need. Make watering simpler, cleaner, and far more efficient. Choose the hose designed for modern outdoor living. Choose compact storage without sacrificing performance. Choose reinforced strength without adding extra weight. Choose smoother movement with fewer kinks and twists. Pocket Hose Ballistic is built to keep up. Get yours and experience the upgrade yourself. You can check today's best price from the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite gadget.